Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am reviewing the Esports Elite 1100 gaming cabinet, a budget-friendly option with some impressive features. Let's dive right in. Straight out of the box, the Esports Elite 1100 looks stunning with its sleek all-black design. The tempered glass side panel really elevates the look, making it perfect for showcasing your build. The case includes a magnetic dust filter on top, which is super handy for keeping your system clean and cool. The case also comes with 4 pre-installed rainbow LED fans, which not only look great but also help with airflow. It's small details like these that really make a difference. The build quality of this case is excellent for the price. It feels sturdy and well built. The design is practical too. It supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. Inside, there's enough room for all your components, including mounts for both SSDs and HHDs. Cable management is made easy with the provided options, which helps keep everything neat and improves airflow. When it comes to airflow, the mesh front panel, along with the 4 fans, does a great job of keeping the system cool, even during long gaming sessions. The fans might not be fully customizable RGB, but the rainbow lighting still adds a cool effect to the overall setup. Let's talk about value for money. I picked this case up for around 1,900 rupees during a sale, and I have to say, it's totally worth it. The design is beautiful, the cooling works well, and it doesn't feel like a compromise even though it's a budget case. Here's what I liked and didn't like about the Esports Elite 1100. Pros: affordable price point, excellent build quality, tempered glass side panel, magnetic dust filter, and good cable management options. Comes with 4 pre-installed rainbow LED fans. Cons: the fans are not RGB customizable, slightly compact for larger GPUs. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Esports Elite 1100. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to build a budget-friendly gaming PC without sacrificing style or performance. If you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, check out the link in the description. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and PC build tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.